The Airbus A300 is a twin-engine wide-body airliner for short and medium-range flights, seating around 250 to 300 passengers. In sales numbers, it is the first large European jetliner with a real success on the world market. While in the mid-1960s, some American aircraft manufacturers were competing in a CX-HLS military transport contest. European manufacturers were studying on the ideas for a large capacity short-range airliner. In November 1965, the British and the French governments outlined a subscriptions for 200 and 225 passengers aircraft with 30% lower operating costs than the Boeing 727-100. The Airbus A300 B4 is heavier than the B2 and soon became the standard production version. The Airbus A300 C4 is a convertible passenger/cargo variant of the B4 with a main deck cargo door and stretched cabin floor. The Airbus A300-600 is an improved derivative which first flew on July 8, 1983 and entered service on March 1984. Like the Airbus A310, it has two crew digital flight deck and seating capacity is slightly increased by taking over the Airbus A310's rear fuselage and tail. The Airbus A300-600 offers increased fuel capacity, heavier weights, and more range. The Airbus A300's maiden flight took place on December 9, 1987, and it was followed by the development of the Airbus A300-600F fighter, which first flew in December 1993. During the last years of the production, Airbus only built the Airbus A300-600F for package carriers like the Federal Express and UPS.